Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel for all pocket watch enthusiasts. Today, I'm presenting a rather unusual piece, a Viking, a brand created for the Swedish market. In this watch, you can admire a beautiful Cortébert caliber 532 movement, known for its precision and durability. Watch until the end of the video to learn some interesting curiosities about this watch and the history of its brand. If you can, please subscribe to the channel to support our content. Thank you all. Viking pocket watches have a curious and little-known history. Although they might seem like a Swedish brand, they were actually produced by the renowned Swiss manufacturer Cortébert. In the early 20th century, many Swiss brands adopted local names to appeal to foreign markets, and in Sweden, Cortébert chose the name Viking, evoking strength and Nordic tradition. This particular model is equipped with the caliber 532, a reliable and refined movement that symbolizes the Swiss tradition and quality that Cortébert brought to every watch, even those sold under different names in other countries, such as Viking in Sweden. Today, Viking pocket watches are highly sought after by collectors, not only for their classic design and functionality but also for their fascinating dual identity, a Swiss watch with a Nordic soul, combining the quality of Swiss watchmaking with the prestige and image of a local brand.